Okay, hello. Good morning. I decided I'm just gonna do this as a voiceover because I didn't want to talk when I did this video, but here I am moisturizing my face and massaging it. It's nice, and I have some tea. And then we're gonna put on my base of my face. I use concealer, no foundation, but this is the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. And I use the shades Porcelain and Snow, I'm pretty sure. And then a beauty blender, and I dab a teeny bit of the product off of the wand and then do teeny little dabs all over my face, which is probably why my makeup takes so fucking long, because I do tiny little parts, but whatever, it looks good. What can I say? Drinking tea. I just woke up in this world of this voiceover world. I need to make myself some tea still. All right, now we're putting it on my eyeball for, a little base for whatever I'm going to do on there. It's nice. Oh, yeah, by the way, this is I didn't even really say what it is, but you can figure out the makeup tutorial part. But I also do my hair in this video. I guess I'm probably going to put that in the title, so I probably didn't have to tell you right now. It's okay. It's nice. My fridge is yelling in the background. Shut up, fridge. I don't even know if you can hear it. Okay, we're still going, or am I finally setting with powder? I'm setting with powder. Nice. Okay. This is also Too Faced powder. What's it called? Probably something about Born This Way also. I don't know. But yeah, I use my beauty blender also, and then I kind of bake with that, but then I don't really bake with it. I use my beauty blender and push it into my skin. My skin. Yeah, there we go. Drinking more tea. Oh, jealous of me. I need to make my tea. All right, this is Smashbox Cali Contour Palette, I think. I don't know. Well, I'm taking the darker-y shade of it, and then I was focusing it in my cheekbones in certain areas I wanted it, and then I was taking the lighter contour shade, bronzier one, and using that to blend it out. On my chin, I just used the lighter one. I got a strong chin, strong jaw, but I don't want to go too muddy on it. But I like to go real muddy on my nose. Just kidding, I don't like it muddy, but I do go pretty intense contour a lot of the times. So I take this little brush, and I am taking both the darker and the lighter contour shades, and excuse me, sorry about that, and just rounding out the tip of my nose so it's a button. And then I give myself a mustache. I put it around my lips. Stop. Oh, pick my nose a little. All right. Okay. Oh, I'm having a hard time. I look like I'm crying or something. I think I'm okay now. Okay, and then kind of at the bridge of my nose, but where it connects to my brow bone, I am contouring there. I don't know. I like my eyes to be appearing farther apart because they appear too close together for my likings. So I think that helps with it. Okay, and then I'm using the contour shades and the blush shade from that palette, doing it under my eye, and then, yeah, you saw that. I dragged it up a little bit. Now, in the crease of my eyeball, I always do it a little higher than my actual crease, or maybe it's because my eyes are slightly hooded. I don't know. So maybe it is where my actual crease is. My cat is doing stuff in the background. Sorry about that. So, yeah, using the contour shades for that action again. Just blending it out lots and nice. And then I'm doing the darker shade on the outer corner of my eye and connecting it. And I always make sure I kind of blend it up and out for a nice cat eye action. And then I use this blush by Besame. Oh, what? I thought I was using the blush. Oh, I decided not to yet. Okay. I'm using this freaking Touche en Sol. I think. I don't know. It's something, and it's glittery, and it's nice, and it's beautiful. And I'm putting it on my eye. Touch in Sol, I think. I don't know. Touche en Sol. Something like that. What am I looking for? What are you looking for, Kaya? What are you finding? Oh, I don't know. Let's find out. I didn't edit this. I just sped it up, so you're watching the whole thing. Oh, more tea. Oh, eyeliner. This is the Essence waterproof eyeliner. By Essence. I already said that part. It's $3, and it's sick. I love it. I use it all the time. First, I line my eye. I think my plan on this day was to go more natural and do a tiny little wing. So I lined my eye and then just kind of dragged it out. But as I kept going, I think it ended up being not natural. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Oh no, it's still pretty small. I don't know. Yeah, well, it's not like super small, but yeah, I did a little wang, and then Lil Wayne, and then I am blending it out with black eyeshadow to make it smoky, because that's the only reason I really put it there. I just wanted my eyeball to be smoky, but I like having the base of the liquid eyeliner, because, you know, it's hard to get it as dark with just eyeshadow anyways, and also then it maps it out, and I know where I need to go. And I'm trying to clean up my little messies with the beauty blender. I don't know, now I'm still really blending. I think I blend it up into my crease a little bit with that black eyeshadow, and here I am fixing it again. What a mistaker, making all my messes, guy. And more tea. Ah, I want my tea. Magic tea, yeah, yeah. Do you guys like tea or coffee more? What's your preference? I enjoy coffee as well, but I think I have to pick tea because of my magic beauty tea spell. I'm taking forever to blend this out. All right. Oh, okay, and then we're taking a little bit of that, whatever's left on there, putting it under my eyeball. I didn't even remember doing that. But I did it. Okay, what's next for us? Eyebrow gel and doing the brows. I guess we're going to gel them into place. Brushing them up. Reach for the stars. Yep, brushing them. Yawning. And then I have to do something else because they're going to be wet. Oh, vape. Speaking of, I want to hit my vape. I'm going to go grab it. Okay. Vape break. Past Kaya and future Kaya. This video is from so long ago. I'm sorry about that. What am I doing? Oh, I am doing my eyebrows now. This is an eyebrow pencil that I can't remember what it is. Is it like $1 billion brows or something? Or am I just thinking that because I remember hearing of that brand? That brand. Oh my God. Brand. Yeah. I don't know, but I am doing that to map it out, and then I think I use an angled brush and eyeshadow, or do I not do that? No, I don't do that. I don't care. Okay, this is the blush I was talking about earlier. Besame blush in like 19 something rose. Is it 1920 rose? 1915 something crazy like that. 1950 something. I don't know. Anyways, Besame Rose Blush, it's super duper pink, and I put on way too much of it, and you need barely any of it to, like, do what you want it to do, but I'm doing it anyways. And then this weird eyelash curler I have. I curl those eyelashes. I probably had that eyelash curler in my armpit or in between my thighs, because I like to heat it up first. And then this random mascara, I don't know, it was, what brand was this again? Fucking Wet n Wild or something? It was alright, but I didn't love it, but I used it when I had it. But now I've moved on and moved actually back to my old ways, and I'm using the Essence Princess Lash Mascara, because I like that one, and it's cheap, and it's really good. Oh, what's happening to me there? I don't know. Alright, putting it on. Here I am singing the song while I put the mascaras on. I think I put lots of it on my bottom eyelashes. Oh yeah, I grabbed my vape, but I never did the vape part of the vape break, so here, let's do it. You got some ASMR noises in the background of this. Nice, now I'm picking up my eyelashes. Oh, and then I'm picking off all of the old eyelash glue and all of the dead skin that rips off of my eyeballs, because my eyeballs like to rip. Alright, I'm going to pick that off, and then I'm going to put these eyelashes on my eyeballs. There we go. There we go. Alright, now beauty marks, or freckles, beauty marks. I'm using this angled brush and dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm apparently licking it too to make it kind of wet, so it's got a little more, and putting a bunch of these moles on my face. I'm putting it on the ones I actually have, And making some brand spanking new ones. That's nice. Freak it up. Now what's next? Oh, glitter. Urban Decay glitter eyeliner in... Pyro? Maybe? I think. Alright, put that on the inner corners. Look at it. I didn't even do my, like, regular white inner corners on this day. I was feeling like switching it up. Put a bunch of glitter. I think I might have actually put some of that other, like, touch and soul glitters that I put on my eye on my inner corner. I think, but I could be wrong. Maybe I just spread around that other guy. Alright, now lip liner, I guess? Yes, line those lips too far out, because I like to overline too aggressively. It's not too bad, actually. It's chill enough. Alright. I'm getting rid of that Cupid's bow. Blending it out. I like her blended. Then the something, what brand is that? It's a lip plumper guy by, I don't know, you can get it at Shoppers. It's nice. I don't know. I feel like it's easy to find. Then I spray my face with setting spray and use this fan to dry her off. Nice. Okay, now my face is done and we're gonna move on to hair. Let's see. Okay, I looked at myself a lot for a second. Alright, now I'm using this wide tooth comb, brushing it out kind of, just like the bigger knots, because my hair is filled with so many knots all the time. Oh my god, yeah, I feel my pain watching it. It hurts. Alright, big poofy hair. Then we take a hair tie. We're going to do a half up, half down action, except it's more like 3/4 up and 1/4 down. I actually remember here I'm going to put this up and I'm going to like play and fix with it and then I'm going to not like it. But I do a little like ponytail up high and then I pick around at it. But yeah, I'm going to redo that one. I didn't like what I was working with in the studio. All right. Grabs these hairs. I put it a little higher up on my head. I want it to be pretty high. And then, yes, I grab all my little baby hairs and just little pieces at the front and pull them out, my little shorts pieces. And, yep, grab all those. And then I just grab and grab. Grabbing and garbing. Freaking up that bunch on my head and just pulling and prodding. I don't know. You just pick at it until it works the way you want it to. Oh, yeah, and then I sprayed some heat protectant spray on my hair. It's actually for straightening your hair, but I am going to curl these pieces. My hair is curly naturally, but especially after all the brushing, and I don't think this was fresh hair. The curls drop a lot, and they just look like a freaking mess. So here I am, curling the tiny pieces around my face. And I put it up in this little 3/4 up, 1/4 down action before I curl it, because I gotta curl less of it. But if your hair doesn't have like a natural, like a lot of natural texture going on, you could curl it before you put it up, so then it looks like a little messier. I don't know. Maybe. Oh, and here's my boobs for you for a second. I had something in my eye, I think. You're welcome. Alright, and then we curl these. Oh yeah, when I was curling the ones around my face, I curled them in towards my face. I don't know. That's just what I do. Now I'm grabbing a bunch of random sections and I'm curling them all different ways, I'm pretty sure, in this little ponytail of mine. I'm gonna let it shine, this little ponytail of mine. I'm gonna let it shine, this ponytail of mine. I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Alright, now I'm grabbing these. Oh, I'm slightly brushing them out to mess them up. And then I'm grabbing little sections of it and chunking and bunching them so I can make this little bun on my head. Did this work out well for me? I don't know. Basically making a nest. You want it to look like a bird would want to hop in that and he would be happy in that home. Yep. Alright, and then I just keep freaking with it. I don't know. I guess I don't. I guess I say that's alright. It looks kind of fucked, but whatever. And then I curl these little extra pieces on the bottom. I just separated it into two and then curled it in towards myself. So I had these like little rat tail actions. They're nice. Nice. Okay, I better fix that thing on the top of my head. Maybe it's just the angle, but there we go. Mess with it. Just a bunch of bobby pins. Yeah, I knew it was bad. All right, we agreed. We agreed. Okay, I'm just grabbing... Oh, I guess I'm just grabbing it as a big bunch. There we go. You just make it a bump on your head. There you go. It's just got to be a freaking bunch of messy hairs. There we go. And a little piece hanging over the edge. I do like to take the little pieces hanging out of the bun and curl them too. It's fun. Nice. All right. You're still going. Nice. There we go. The hair's done. Oh, there's something in my mouth. Nice. Oh, we're still sped up. Now it's just me looking at myself, and there's about to be more of me looking at myself, so maybe I'll put some music on with that. Here you go. All right, here's me looking at myself in normal speed. I'm going to put some music on this, but bye. Thanks for watching. Also, at the end of this video, there's good videos of farm from their TikToks I made, but whatever, they're good. Oh, wow, sexy saucy lady. Okay. Oh, sexy saucy. Look at me go. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm just talking over all this. I'm not even gonna add music. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Love you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this style of video, let me know, because it was good for me. Nice. Bye.
I think I need a little bit of inspiration. When can we meet up? So I can come and sex you, baby. Little mama, see that? I'm trying to get you down with us. You know the kids are. Picture me, you ready to be loved. Fuck a COVID-19. Long as I get to see that body on the beach. In your little two-piece. Trying to see you. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of babe. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shoe with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe.